How to fix Valorant crashing? First step, close all Riot Client and Valorant process. Open Task Manager, search for Riot Client and Valorant process. If it's running means click it and end the task and restart your device. Second step, open up Riot Client, click Profile Icon, click Settings. This page will appear. Click Valorant, scroll down, click Repair and start repair. Wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Right click Valorant, click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as administrator and click Apply and OK. After completing, search for Run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click Properties and make sure the startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. If it stop means you need to click Start and close it. And the next step, click this PC, click it. You have enough memory space. You need to check it. If you're not having the enough memory space means sometimes the issue will occur. Right click Properties, click Tools, click Check and scan the drive. It's entirely scanning the C drive. Successfully scanned, that error were no found. Click OK. And the last and final step, click Settings, click System Settings, click Display Settings, scroll down, click Graphics Settings, click Advanced Graphics Settings, turn off the hardware acceleration GPU schedule. Once turning off after, you need to scroll down and search for Valorant, click it, and GPU preference. It depends on you. You can set it as high preference or else power saving. It depends on you. But the optimization of the window games, it should be in turn on mode. Make sure it's important settings. After restart your device. Thank you.